There are a few possible reasons why you might be getting the error message, "Failed to place the call." On the Ola app, your phone may not have enough storage space. The Ola app requires a certain amount of storage space to run properly. If your phone is running low on storage space, you may get this error message: your phone's operating system may not be compatible with the Ola app. The Ola app requires a certain version of the Android or iOS operating system to run properly. If your phone's operating system is not compatible, you may get this error message: you may need to enable third-party app installation on your phone. Some phones have a setting that prevents users from installing apps from outside of the official App Store. If this setting is enabled, you may get this error message when trying to install the Ola app: your mobile number may have been blocked by Ola. If you have violated Ola's terms of service, your mobile number may have been blocked. If this is the case, you will need to contact Ola customer support to get your number unblocked. Here are some things you can try to fix the error message. Make sure that your phone has enough storage space. If your phone is running low on storage space, you can try deleting some unused apps or files. Make sure that your phone's operating system is compatible with the Ola app. You can check the compatibility requirements for the Ola app on the Ola website. Enable third-party app installation on your phone. You can usually find this setting in the security or privacy settings of your phone. Contact Ola customer support to see if your mobile number has been blocked. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still getting the error message, please contact Ola customer support for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.